Subscribe now and I'll love you forever. Hey, how's it going? So, I've made a few videos on the MagSafe Battery Pack versus the Anker Battery Pack. So, in those videos, I talked about how I just loved Apples and was not a fan of Ankers. And to an extent, I stand by that. I still love Apples. The look, the feel, the premium, just quality of it looks and feels so much better than Ankers. But I have a problem with it. I've noticed something in the last couple of days of using it, and it kind of bugs me. But before we get into that question, do you guys like these kind of videos where I'm just sitting talking about a product or iPhone news or Apple event news, iPad news, or do you prefer my iPad Pro videos where I focus on the use of my iPad Pro or the Magic Keyboard or the accessories for the iPad? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. But let's get back to this. So, the other day, my phone was almost dead. It was like 20%. I don't remember what I was doing, but it was fairly warm out, and my phone was like at 20%. So I put the battery pack on my phone, and it went up maybe 2-3% in the next hour. It was super slow, and I don't get it. See, when the phone is cooled off and not on fire, this thing charges fairly decently. You know, it'll give you 10-20% as you need it. But when the phone is hot, especially if you're gaming, then you will not get any charge on this at all. Not anything from it, and that's really kind of sucks. So that's where the Anker one comes in. This one is a normal wireless charger. You put it on, no matter what, it'll charge your phone. It'll charge your phone quick. I think with Apple's software integrations in this, it's kind of limiting the MagSafe Battery Pack to stop charging when it's hot, and I get it for certain reasons, but when my phone is hot and when it's dead, I just want to slap this on and forget about it and charge. I found myself worrying about this thing constantly. When I was on my phone, I checked like 10 minutes later, it went up maybe 1%, maybe not even that, I don't know. And it was unfortunate, it sucked, and so it just got me to keep worrying about my phone, keep checking it, make sure it was still charging. Whenever I put one of these things on it, I don't want to do that. I want to just put it on my phone and forget about it. We'll leave it alone. I did kind of notice the same issue yesterday, though, with my MagSafe Puck. My phone was almost at 20%. I had recorded some videos, which didn't work because the microphone died mid-video, and I didn't know. Great. Anywho, so the phone was almost dead. It was really hot, and so I put it on the MagSafe charger. I went and started cooking dinner, and I got back, check on my phone, went up 2%, and it was even hotter, and the MagSafe Puck was even hotter. I don't get why. And when it got that hot, the phone doesn't allow you to use a flashlight or anything like that. And it's just, maybe it's because I'm on the iOS 15 beta currently. I honestly doubt it, but that is the only thing I can think of. But overall, I still love Apple's MagSafe Battery Pack, and Anker's MagSafe Battery Pack just doesn't do it for me. I think I love the feel of this more. I think if Anker put a little bit more effort into the way this looks and feels, then maybe. Because when you put one of these on your phone, you want to use your phone most of the time. So this is just not comfortable, in my opinion. Whereas this is very comfortable and very sleek. And if I'm not carrying a backpack with me, this is in my pocket, and I don't ever notice it in my pocket. It's thin, it's light enough, I don't ever notice it in my pocket. Ankers, I definitely notice it. I don't like it. But, yeah, so that was some of the issues I was starting to have with this battery pack. Now, I've heard of other people having these same issues in previous videos that they have recorded, but I never really experienced the issue too much. But this time, I definitely really felt it, and it was kind of sucked. And yeah, so this thing kind of charges your phone a lot slower, and I still do stand on I am okay with that because I don't want my phone to be at 50% by 8 o'clock because I'm going to bed soon. So if my phone is at 30% by 5 and I need it to get me through the rest of the day, I'll charge it up to 50% or something, and it'll charge fairly slow, and it will get me through the rest of the day. So that is all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below and what kind of videos you guys want to keep seeing from me in the future. Before I go, I've talked about my other channel down below, but coming up mid-September, we have a new song coming out. This is our first song on that channel that is like a full band, studio-ish kind of produced. A friend of mine is helping mixing it, and we're going to have an album cover and everything. It's going to be awesome. It is for Suicide Awareness Month. It is an original song. Drums, everything, full band. It sounds great so far. I'm excited for you guys to hear it mid-September, so keep an eye out for that. And in the meantime, hit like and subscribe in this video and check out my other channels. Till then, I'm Jake. This is Shot on my phone.